Hi, it's Jeff from Better Living Outdoors, and today I want to give you a quick run through on the Gecko K330 control panel. So I've just powered this bar up now, and it's just going through its initial setup and configuration. So we've now got to the point where that little yellow temperature symbol indicates the spar is now sampling for temperature. Now this particular tub's got no water in and the cert pump is disconnected, so we may well get an error shortly, but in the interim we'll just try and go through the settings for you. So just looking across here on the right hand side first, we have pump 1 button here, pump 2 button here, and then we have a light button here on the end, which you may notice we now have some lights on in the tub. Buttons over here turn the temperature up and down, so we can change our set point. So I'm just going to scroll this up to what would be the normal sort of temperature we'd have on the tub, about 37.5 degrees. And then once it is there, basically what will happen in the second, after about 5 seconds, it just times back out to show you what the temperature in the spar is. So now it's also trying to do a bit of sampling again. It's flashing between the lines which tell you it's sampling and also the clock at the moment. So if we want to change the clock, what we need to do is hold down the light button for 5 seconds, and that will then take us into a setting menu. So there we are. So now we can change the time. So we're about 9:30 at the moment in the morning, so I'm going to change that now. So if we've got down to 9, we'll press the light button again, and then we'll go this up to 30. You can see I'm pressing the buttons here to do that. And once we're where I want to be, we'll press the light button again. We next get the filter start option. So FS means filter start, and that's looking to start at 8 o'clock. So I'm happy with that. I don't need to scroll up and down to change that. So we'll press the light again. It's then going to give me the duration, so that's suggesting 4 hours. Now, to me, that seems a little bit much. I'm going to drop back that down to 1 hour. So that filter's going to run for 1 hour. We'll press the light button again. FF means filter frequency. So at the moment, it's saying it's going to do that twice a day. So basically, 12 hours apart at 8 a.m., then 8 p.m., it's going to run that 1 hour filter cycle, which again, to me, that seems like a good option. So I'm going to leave that set like that. EP0, so this is the economy programs. Now 0 means it's not set to do economy. If you want to look at using the economy modes, that's fine, and I would say refer back to your handbook at this point, but for now I would leave that off, which I'm going to do. So therefore economy start is not relevant, so that's 0 as well, and economy duration would be 9, but again it's turned off, so we don't have to worry about that. And last but not least, you can change whether you want degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. So again, we'll leave that on Celsius. And there we go, back to the start where it's showing the time. So obviously if we were running the circulation pump, and with your tub, as soon as it starts up, it's going to power that cert pump, you would start to get a display of the water temperature shown in there. You'd then find that the temperature symbol would go solid, and you would get some wavy lines up in this area of the screen. Those red wavy lines indicate that the hot tub is heating. Now, as you can see, we're now getting the flow error coming up on here because there is no flow through this particular hot tub at the moment. So there's not much more I can do about that. But that just gives you a little bit of a taster of how to get through the control panel. If you do refer to the manual, it does show a 1-pump version rather than a 2-pump version in there. But what you'll note is on the 1-pump version, this is a settings button, whereas obviously on this panel, it is light. They actually do the same thing from a programming point of view. So you just hold that down for 5 seconds and it gets you into the settings menu. Hope that's helpful. I'm Jeff from Better Living Outdoors. Thanks for watching.